Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last two. कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है यार, मैंने तो करा भी नहीं है. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, as I've already suggested you in my last video, that there is a pattern forming. A cup pattern is forming, which is showing a higher probability that it can move further upside. You can go and check my previous video. Okay, as you can see, looking at this particular chart, that a U pattern was forming, and when it went down, I have already told you that if the price sustain above a level of 1761, then was a high chances that it can go further upside. Still we can see that if it goes above a level of around 1783, then a probability of touching 1786 is there, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside, because this is the range where the price of gold was moving for so long. Okay, or if it goes below a particular level of around 1764, okay, or if it goes below a level of 1736, these are the two supports. From there we can see a bounce back can come. But if this level goes further down, then a probability that it can go and cross and touch a level of around 16 and can go below a level of 1700 can move, and now it will come in this particular zone once the price fall below a level of 1700. Okay, what we can see looking at the chart for the next week, if before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in gold, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Link in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around $1795 to a level of around $1801, and if that level sustain, then chances of moving further upside towards a level of 1808 is there. Okay, and once the price sustain above 1808, which is a resistance, if it bounce back from this level, then we can see a level of around 1803 will act as a strong support. So we can see a bounce back from $1802. But as of now, if it sustain above a level of $1808, then a high chances is there that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1825, and then from there we can see it can cross a level of 1834 also, because 1834 is a weak resistance. So chances of moving further upside is there, and we can see it can touch a level of $1848, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1870, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1878. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, then we can see it can go further high. Okay, as you can see that the price for gold is quite volatile. Okay, as of now you can understand here and look at the chart that it has already made a strong support at this particular level of 1612. So if the price comes close to this particular level, chances of moving further low is on a higher side if the price comes close to this level. Okay, so suppose if this price didn't sustain, the particular level didn't sustain. So if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, it can come to its next support of around $1772, and if the price goes above below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1765.97. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of $1746 to a level of around 1735. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then a chances are it can touch a strong support of around 1700, and I've already suggested you that if the price comes close to around 1700, then it will move in this particular zone, and from there we can see a strong support coming at around 1677. If that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 1670 to a level of around 1654. So once the price fall below 1617, the chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of 1654, and if it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1636. So you have to keep this in mind. If the price fall below 1654, then we can see it can touch a level of 1636, which is a weak support. So chances of moving further low will be there, and we can see it can touch a level of 1615 to a level of, and then further down it can go below a level of 1600, because as you can see that these levels are already being tested here and being a weak support. So chances of moving further low towards a level of 15 90 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1589 also. Okay, and with the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.